Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best gadget of all time. Today I am going to make video on home cleaning gadgets of this year. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given.
Product 1 is Steam Cleaner. A steam cleaner is a versatile cleaning tool that utilizes the power of steam to effectively and efficiently clean various surfaces. The steam cleaner you've mentioned, with its 2500 W high-pressure capability, is designed for thorough cleaning in different areas, including the home, kitchen, bathroom, and even for car cleaning. Its handheld design makes it convenient to use, allowing users to easily maneuver and target specific areas. The high-temperature steam generated by this cleaner is a key feature, as it enables deep cleaning and sanitization without the need for additional chemicals. This makes it an environmentally friendly and health-conscious choice for those looking to minimize the use of harsh cleaning agents in their living spaces. The 2500 W power rating indicates a robust performance, ensuring that the steam cleaner can tackle tough stains and grime effectively. Whether it's grease in the kitchen, soap scum in the bathroom, or dirt on car surfaces, this high-pressure steam cleaner to reach into crevices and corners, making them suitable for a variety of surfaces, such as tiles, grout, countertops, upholstery, and more. The portable nature of this handheld steam cleaner enhances its versatility, allowing users to address cleaning needs in different parts of their homes or vehicles. In summary, the steam cleaner with a 2500 W high-pressure capacity is a powerful and practical tool for achieving a deep and chemical-free clean in various settings. Its handheld design and high-temperature steam make it a valuable asset for those who prioritize. Product 2 Product name. A dust mop. A dust mop is a versatile household cleaning tool designed for efficiently removing dust and debris from various surfaces, including floors, ceilings, beds, sofas, and other furniture. It typically features a long handle, making it convenient for reaching high or difficult-to-access areas. The design of the dust mop includes a broad flat mop head that is specifically engineered to attract and trap dust particles. One of the key advantages of a dust mop is its ability to clean without the need for water or cleaning solutions. Instead, the mop is designed to effectively capture and hold onto dust, hair, and other small particles through static electricity or the use of microfiber materials. This makes it an ideal choice for regular maintenance and quick cleanups in between more thorough cleaning sessions. The long handle of the dust mop enables users to sweep and clean floors without having to bend down, promoting ergonomic and back-friendly cleaning practices. Additionally, the dust mop's design makes it an efficient household cleaning tool, providing users with a hassle-free way to keep their living spaces free from dust and debris. Its versatility, ease of use, and ability to reach different surfaces make it a valuable accessory for maintaining. Product 3 Product name. 9-in-1 electric cleaning brush. 9-in-1 electric cleaning brush is a versatile and efficient cleaning tool designed to simplify and enhance various cleaning tasks in different areas of the home. This electric spin cleaning scrubber offers a comprehensive solution for maintaining cleanliness in spaces like the kitchen, bathroom, and other areas where dirt and grime can accumulate. Equipped with 9 interchangeable cleaning heads, this electric cleaning tool caters to a wide range of surfaces and cleaning requirements. Its multifunctional design makes it suitable for use in parlors, kitchens, and bathrooms, addressing the diverse cleaning needs of different environments. The brush heads are specifically crafted to tackle various surfaces, from tiles and grout to countertops and fixtures. The electric spin feature of this cleaning gadget adds a powerful and efficient element to the cleaning process, reducing the effort required for scrubbing and ensuring a more thorough and consistent clean. With adjustable speed settings, users can customize. Electric cleaning brush provides a practical and time-saving solution. Its versatility and convenience make it a valuable addition to the arsenal of cleaning tools, helping users achieve a higher level of cleanliness. And Product 4 Product name. Household dust cleaning brush. The household dust cleaning brush is a practical and efficient tool designed to tackle the common issue of household dust accumulation. With a focus on convenience and effectiveness, this cleaning brush is equipped with a long handle, allowing users to reach and clean areas that are typically challenging to access. The extended handle proves especially useful for reaching narrow gaps, corners, and other spaces where dust tends to settle. One notable feature of this cleaning brush is its integration with a non-woven cleaning cloth. This material is known for its dust-attracting properties, ensuring that the brush efficiently captures and retains dust particles as it glides over surfaces. The combination of the long handle and the non-woven cleaning cloth makes this tool a versatile and comprehensive solution for various home cleaning tasks. Whether it's cleaning behind furniture, along baseboards, or in other tight spaces, the household dust cleaning brush provides a practical solution for homeowners looking to maintain a clean and dust-free living environment. Materials make it a valuable addition to any home cleaning toolkit, offering both convenience and efficiency in the battle against household dust. Product 5. Product name: Mini-Mop. Mini-Mop is a compact and powerful cleaning tool designed for versatile home cleaning tasks. One of its notable features is its powerful squeeze mechanism, allowing users to efficiently wring out excess water from the mop head. This feature is particularly useful for achieving optimal moisture levels on the mop, ensuring effective cleaning without leaving behind excessive water on surfaces. The Mini-Mop is designed for convenience and space saving, as it incorporates a folding mechanism. This folding feature enhances its portability and makes it easy to store in compact spaces, making it an ideal choice for those with limited storage areas. The compact design also facilitates easy maneuvering and cleaning in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. This mini-mop is specifically crafted for various cleaning applications, including floor washing, desk cleaning, window cleaning, and car cleaning. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool for a range of household cleaning needs. The self-squeezing mechanism adds to the efficiency-saving design, making it suitable for a variety of cleaning tasks in different areas of the home, including floors, desks, windows, and cars. Its self-squeezing feature and portability contribute to its effectiveness and user-friendly design, making it a practical choice.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.